Hi, what's up? We're walking down Sadoughi Boulevard, and I played a little with this video. The speed is like this, as you see on the charts, so it's gonna go up and down. I'm really enjoying this season. I don't know, I feel like it wasn't this beautiful the last year or years before that. In front of you is a very old mosque. It's one of the old mosques of the city. I hope that's a working outfit. So that's the entrance of the mosque. Okay. Okay, fast forwarding through some shops and some old guy. There he is. Another guy. And this kid, which we will not fast forward through. Now you get. So I'll try to name the shops as the video gets faster. Yeah, this is a lock and handles and stuff. This is a very nice sandwich shop actually. Okay, as you can see, the woman is walking a little faster than a human would. So we are on fast forward. Why are all these shops closed? It was like the middle of the day. Working hours. Okay, we're getting faster. I don't know these, but that's a bank. In front of us is a flower shop. Yeah, we passed through it. A dry cleaning. Another bank. And that's the ATM. Yeah, there you go. A toy store. A kid's bike in front of it. Cabinets. Paint. Okay, we're getting slower. That looked like a rewind, but it was just going real grip. Okay. Beautiful view. This is one of the famous high schools. Yazd. It's called Zakir. There it is, again. This nice lady passing by. Okay, I think we're going fast forward again. Can't exactly remember. Yeah, there it is. And slow. Okay. Dollar Brilliant. Again, this is one of my favorite bookstores in the city. It's called Malik. It's a bookstore and a cafe, so you can pick a book, order coffee or tea or something. And very nice. It's very beautiful, not just a bookstore, simple books. And as I vaguely remember, this used to be a theater, I guess. I don't know exactly what it is right now. Yep, that's it. So this was Sadoughi Blvd. Hope you liked it. Thanks for the support.